An easy-to-use all-metal quick-release system makes mounting the camera fast and simple. Dual-axis bubble levels help keep the camera level even when a tripod is set up on uneven ground or steps. Has an industry-standard 3/8 tripod mount and comes with a universal 1/4-20 reducer installed. An easy-to-use all-metal quick-release system makes mounting the camera fast and simple. One lever operation makes for simple and easy camera movements. Top reviews from the United States. I have the venerable Velbon No. 343E travel tripod. Was thinking about some modern travel tripods that cost a little over $100, but looking at the stats, the only thing they have over the Velbon is the quick release and slightly more compact carry size. The Velbon 343E has served me well, and this SLIK Ballhead was the only compact head with quick release for a reasonable price. It works great. I simply unscrewed the Velbon Ballhead and replaced it with the SLIK. The SLIK works great and is just as small as the head it replaced. I love the quick release. The pad that you attach to the camera is available separately but costs more than half the price of the whole ball head. A shame, or I would get a few extra for different cameras. All in all, this product saves me from buying a new travel tripod. Highly recommended.